Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a simple progression that you can play. Let's say you're in church and you just want something soft to play. I'm going to show you a simple progression you can play. This is in the key of C sharp. The progression is going to be the flat 7, the 1, the 4, and the 5. And then we're going to change the key up a tone to E flat and do the same thing. So let me give you a demonstration. Alright, cool. I know you like that. So let's break it down. So the first thing we did is this. So the melody note, and we're gonna play the arpeggios in the left hand, right? So we have this, right? So you need to use the sustain pedal so it can assist you. If you don't have to hold down the notes, you can actually just play them, right? But my hands are bigger, so I can hold all the notes. And this is on the 4, that nice 4. The right hand. So we have and this is the 5. Right hand, left hand. I'll go to the 2. This is the chord for the 2. Right hand and the left hand. We're going to the 3. So we do this 3, then 4 again, 5. So we have that in C sharp. Right, now we're gonna change the key to E flat. So we're in E flat, and we're just gonna do the same thing. So it starts on the flat 7, which is C sharp, and we're keeping the melody. So the left hand, and we have the right hand. And the 4 in the left hand and the right hand. So we do this, and we go to the 2, 2, up to you. You can play this. If you can stretch, you can do that. Then to the 3. The 3. So the 4. Right? And the 5. And then what we're going to do here is just go back to the C sharp. And the crazy thing about this is, even though you're switching between just 2 keys, the C sharp and the C and the E flat, the thing is, each time you do it, it sounds, I don't know why, but it sounds as if it's new every time. I just find it pretty cool. Change. Here, you can just play around with the melody. So we went to the 2 instead of going to the 3. We can go from the 2 to the 1. Back to the C sharp. So just practice it slowly. Until you can get it in a bit faster. Are you just experimenting with the right hand? And pretty much many people would be asking, how do I experiment? How do I come up with melodies? How I look at it is, we're in the key of C sharp. Pretty much, alright, let's say I can play any note in the key of C sharp in the major scale and it will work. Let's try it. I'm going to play any note in the major scale over the progression, the 2, 3, 4. Any note. And nothing will sound wrong. It will all work. So that's how I see it. So right now you can just basically experiment. You can add harmony notes. Add harmony. So this note I'm harmonizing using the A flat. So if I'm playing the E flat, I could harmonize using the F sharp. If the C sharp, you could harmonize using the F, right? So right. Just random notes. It's not like they're planned. Just random notes. They won't sound wrong. Just give it a shot.